good afternoon, good morning. We just wanted to come to you live real quick. We've been pretty busy the past couple of days, just getting orders in and orders done, but just wanted to come to you live real quick to give you a quick demo of our bath bombs. Let's see. Okay, so let's see. This is like the leftovers, right? So 1, 2, 3. Yes, you can see the oil coming right up. So it has Nigel Jamaican almond oil in it. Okay, baking soda, citric acid. I use vegan colors. And then also other essential oils for the fragrance. You should smell it in here right now. It's like, okay, so here's my hand dry. Wow. Really nice. I don't like doing demos because it makes me want to go get in the tub right now. So, all right, guys, take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.